Okay, so today we are going to understand speech writing. This is the introduction to speech writing. You people must be familiar with this word because you have been doing it like you. आप लोगों ने कभी-कभी stage पे किया होगा. Today we are going to do it in this. Introduction to the speech writing. A speech is a formal talk that a person delivers to his or her audience. A speech is much the same way as other forms of writing. Like we do report writing, like we do debate writing, like we do like we do paragraph writing, just like just in the same way we do speech writing. It includes a variety of tools that are designed to communicate information. I mean, the one who is the speaker, the one who gives the speech, he gives the information, he communicates to the audience. The speech writing, before you write the speech, you have to keep these points in your mind. The first one, who you are writing your speech for. It means the audience. आप किसके लिए बोल रहे हो? That should be the audience. And why are you giving it? Fine. The second one, what your speech is going to be about. It means your topic. You should be clear about your topic. Okay. The third, how long it needs to be. The duration. कि कितना आपको बोलना है. It's not like you have started and there's no end. कि आप बोलते जा रहे हो. No, there's a certain time limit to speak and there's a certain words to write. जितने numbers में आपको लिखना है वो words, and there's a certain time limit to speak also. The fourth one, in simple words, you need to do some research about your topic. Whatever you are speaking for, आप जिस भी बारे में बोल रहे हो, if you are speaking in the for or against, जो भी है, you have to be clear. You have to be clear with your topic. आपको सब कुछ आना चाहिए. You need to understand each and every detail of your topic. The key points to remember while writing a speech. First one, it should be simple. Well stated purpose. Your purpose should be clear. Organizing the content, your content should be organized. It's not like कि जो पहले बोलने वाला है वो आपने बाद में लिया है, जो बाद में बोलने वाला है वो पहले. It's not like that. Conclusion end में आएगा तो end में ही आएगा. The main body will come in between. It will come in between. The introduction should come in the beginning. It should come in the beginning always. You should not forget the sequence, the supported ideas, the facts, figures, and examples for the references if you want to take, and the proper conclusion. Always you have to end your speech with a proper conclusion. Don't forget to do that. The format, as such, there's not format, but yes, there is a very simple format of writing a speech. It consists of three parts. The first one is the introduction, second one is the body, and the third one is the conclusion always. Introduction includes the greeting to the audience. First of all, you have to greet respected principal ma'am, the worthy judges, and my dear children, and whosoever. First of all, you have to greet the audience. The second one, introduction to the topic of your speech, whatever you are going to speak about. If suppose your topic is pollution, so you have to give the introduction about the pollution, and then you have to go through the outline of the main points, whatever you want to speak about. आपको जो भी बोलना है, you have to give the outline. Outline means you have to give the certain idea what you are going to speak about. आपको कुछ बताना है, then you'll go through. Otherwise, it's not like you have started your speech and without doing all these things, you have just gone through. नहीं बोलना है आपको. Directly आपको middle से starting है, you have to give the introduction. It is much needed. The body, use short sentences, discuss your main points in detail, provide supporting evidence or examples or for references, you can say. Last one, additional information on the topic can be given. If you want to give more information about the topic, you can give more information. अगर आपके पास और भी deep idea है तो वो भी दे सकते हैं, but don't forget about the word limit. And if you are speaking it, तो बोलते time you have to keep the mind set in keep the time set in your mind कि मुझे इतने time तक के लिए, if it is for 3 minutes, if it is for 4 minutes, you have to keep the time save in your mind कि मुझे इतना ही बोलना है. And while writing it, it should not extend beyond 150 to 200 words. Clear? It should not go beyond 150 to 200 words. इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. And the last one, the conclusion. You have to sum up your ideas. Whatever you have spoken about, whatever you have written about, you have to sum it up. Fine. Leave the message to the audience. At last, but not the least, you have to give the message to the audience that this is the thing they need to do. Or also you can do one thing. You can conclude your speech with a question for the audience or a quote. Fine. A question छोड़ सकते हो for the audience, and you can leave it with a quote also. All right. And one more thing I forgot to mention over here, that you have to write speech in paragraphs. The first paragraph would be of introduction, the second paragraph would be of body, and the third paragraph would be of conclusion. All right. Am I clear, everybody? So this is it for today. Wait.